You guys might want to watch this on slow-mo and take some notes because you're about to learn something today.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hey guys, Workout Diabetic Man here. Alright, so I wanted to take this video here and respond to two people. I'm responding to Johnny Hernadez with his squat challenge, 30-day squat challenge, and he's done 2 days already, which is 50 squats. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do these 50 squats just right now, all at once, catch up, and try not to fall behind again. Also, Johnny, I'm doing these squats and my regular exercises, so please take it easy on me. And then next, after I get the squats done, I'm responding to Leah Fortune. Fortune. Sorry, Leah, if I can't pronounce your name right. I murdered it in the last cooking video, and I apologize for that. I'll post their links in the description. And also, tomorrow, or the next video, I want to take care of the 2-minute commitment to fitness challenge, which Ethel Trev had challenged me in a video to do some 2-minute combination of 2 exercises, which it looks like it's going to be tough. So keep in tune for that one. Alright, so I'll just go ahead and get started with the 50 squats. I'm catching up to Johnny, who challenged me for 30 days of squats. So here it goes. Only 10 more. Oh man, that is rough. I'm definitely not going to fall behind again. Oh, alright, so Johnny, since I did 50 the first day, am I allowed to have my rest day tomorrow? You let me know if I can rest. 50 squats is tough. I'm gonna need to use some of that icy hot on that one. Alright, so the next one I'm gonna do, the next challenge comes from Leah, and she challenged me 2 minutes of dancing, and I meant to say in my cooking video, erratically. I don't know why I couldn't find that word, but 2 minutes of erratic dancing, and I'm gonna go ahead and find a music video. I love Beyonce. So I'm going to put on some Beyonce, and I'm just going to bust a move. Now you guys might want to watch this on slow-mo and take some notes because you're about to learn something today. Was that 2 minutes? I forgot to set a timer, but I'm calling it 2 minutes. There's a crazy dancing. I know you guys are gonna like that. So there it is. I don't know if that was 2 minutes, but I'm gonna call it 2 minutes. That's my crazy, erratic dancing. Brought to you by Leah Fortune, and a special message to the fat vegan life. That one's free, but the next time it's going to cost you some of those dollars. Remember guys, keep making those videos. Keep believing in yourself. And I'll see you guys around.